I risked $100 on AUDUSD and walked away with 200. Not because I got lucky, but because the market told me exactly what it was going to do. Weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4 hourly bearish, 3 time frames screaming the same thing. I'm going to show you exactly how I read that, where I entered, and why this is the only way I trade now. Before I ever look at a 4-hour chart or a 1-hour chart, I need to know the bigger picture. This is what top-down analysis means. You start at the highest time frame and work your way down. You're not guessing direction, you're confirming it at every level of entry before you even think about it. On AUD/USD, the weekly and daily were both bearish. That's my green light to only be looking for sells. Now I drop down to the 4 hourly or daily time frame to identify my area of interest. An area of interest is a zone where price has previously shown a strong reaction. Think of it like a decision point the market remembers. I didn't find any AOI in the daily, so as you can see here, I dropped down to the 4 hourly and I identified 3 areas of interest here, which lines up perfectly with previous structure. The market broke through it on the way down and now it's coming back to retest it. That retest is everything. I'm not entering just because price is in the AOI. I need confirmation. What I'm looking for is a bearish engulfing candle, a candle that fully engulfs the previous one and closes below it. This tells me sellers are in control right here at this exact zone. I see the engulfing form. I enter short at 0.71387, stop loss at 0.71557, just above the zone, so I'm protected against the wick. And take profit at 0.71044. That gives me a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. I risk 100 and I make 200. Price drops exactly as the analysis said it would. Hits take profit plus $200, but here's what matters more than the money. This trade worked because every single rule was followed. Higher time frame bias confirmed, AOI respected, every entry trigger present, stop loss and take profit placed properly. That's the process. The profit is just what happens when you execute the process correctly. The one thing I want you to take away from this, if your higher time frames aren't aligned, you don't have a trade. I have lost money ignoring this rule, I have won money following it. It's that simple. Don't fight the higher time frame, let the market tell you what it wants to do, then get in when it gives you a confirmation. If you want to see more trade breakdowns like this, wins and losses, subscribe. I post every week and I show the journal too, so you can see what my actual numbers look like. Drop a comment if you want me to break down a specific pair or concept next. I'll see you in the next one.